What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel, Eat with Coral Blush. Little impromptu video here. Fish and chips from the chip shop, guys. As I was getting it out the box it like fell in half, so it's a bit like, but never mind. Still looks absolutely delicious. The batter looks nice and properly done. Now we've got some curry sauce and I just fancied some garlic over my chips. And I've also made myself a slice of buttered bread. My drink is some blackcurrant juice. Oh God. Don't know where to start, guys. I've put salt on. Look at this lovely big white cardamom. Look at that. Wow, zers. It's actually a massive bite, that. It's a massive bite. This batter looks fantastic. Why I've got this, guys, is because when I went for Oscar, isn't it lush? There's a chip shop just round the corner from Oscar's school. Sounds orgasmic. Lovely. Look at that. So, as soon as I got home, well, after the school I went to Aldi. I was all over the place in Aldi. I thought, well, I'll make some chicken breast, like some spicy, like seasoned chicken breast with corn on the cob and stuff, and rice and stuff. Just for tea, I wasn't going to make a video. So I'm putting the stuff in the basket for that. And then I seen some, I've been meaning to make the empanadas for ages. And I know you can make them with pizza dough. So I seen pizza dough. I knew I had mince already in. I thought, well, I'll get that. I'll make some empanadas. And then in the next aisle, I seen they do chili con carne in a tin now. I usually get my chili con carne from Heron. Because I was watching Steven's Sushi the other day. He had like chili cheese fries. Lovely crispy onion rings. I don't know if you had wings. Oh, that just looked divine. I thought I haven't done chili cheese fries for ages. So I got a can of that and some cheese and stuff and some potatoes to make nice homemade fries. And like I say, and then I went past the chippy. Smelled absolutely gorgeous. Came home. Ordered a chippy. I'm so glad I did. I haven't had a proper chip shop takeaway for ages. Obviously I've made fish myself, but and this is from the same chippy I passed as well. I just got it delivered. This is lovely, this can. So we've got 2 fish and chips. The kids got battered sausage and chips. Curry sauce, he got mushy peas, garlic sauce. I think it came to £29. Which is good. These massive fishes are only £7.90. And they're huge. Before I fill up, I'm going to make a chip sarnie. Plenty butter on. I love a chip sarnie, me. So yeah, I was so hungry, guys. I'm starving now. So this is why I was like going a bit cuckoo in Aldi. Just thinking of all kinds of different foods. But at least anyway, they're in. So for whatever I want to make next is already in. Mm-hmm. Did you see that? The flicker.
What was it? The light.
He's looking as if to say, what the hell are you doing? Hey, hi. Huh. I had a nice bacon butty at my mum's this morning. Excuse me. It was so strange going to her house because obviously she's been at my nana's all the time. So I see her and my nana together. I went, it's so strange coming into your house for a change. So had a cuppa and then we got a taxi down to my nana's. Been a really nice day today. The sky has been blue. Not one cloud. Lovely and sunny. Canny mild considering the time of year. So I said, do you want to get took out in your wheelchair somewhere? Just get some fresh air. And just like, yeah. And then she went, oh, the nurse is coming. It's just a local like district nurse. She just pops in and checks up on her. And I went, well, even if she comes, I'm sure she'll just see I'll catch her another day. Like she wasn't coming for anything in particular. She just calls in to make sure she's okay. So we just had a little walk along to Aldi. Just get some fresh air really. And she got a few odds and ends in for cupboards and fridge. But we couldn't believe how mild it was. I was looking back on my last few videos, guys. I can't actually believe that crappy, well, I thought it was crappy, the pulled pork sandwich video. I mean, it was delicious, gorgeous, but I just felt like it was such a fail video. Like, it was just so quick. But I thought I've like showed you how I done the potatoes and everything. But that video, in a lesser time, has done much better than the Lush video me and Kenny done. The Yellowstone one. I went, how can that crap video do better than that one? What we like put a lot of effort in, didn't we, Ken? Bloody ordering hats, ordering shirts, sunglasses online. Just I don't know whether that's because it's too long, because it's basically an hour long, the video. I thought for sure that one would have done really well though. It's been good, but not as good as I thought it would have been. Never mind. And then the pickle one with the kids. Spent a fortune getting all them in and ended up getting wasted. I still got to do my TikTok one with the garlic. Kosher pickle. Right, open my sauces. I don't know if their garlic's nice. I used to love it. Whitley Bay in the, when would it have been? The 90s, late 90s. End of the night, after you've been to Whitley Bay, go to the kebab shop. I used to always just get chips with garlic sauce poured all over. Oh. I love it. I'm not pouring it all over, guys, because I've got some curry as well. Look at that. Just the combination is delicious. Everyone that has requested different meals and food, etc. I've screenshotted them all, and like I've said previously, if I'm stuck for ideas or whatever, I'll go back to them. I will do them eventually, and if I forget in a few weeks, months time, just reminders. But I will refer to that list every so often. I'm not like going through the whole list running them off, because not only will it work out a fortune, like trying to please everyone buying everything for what they want to see, I also have to do like normal shopping for my family. So every so often I'll pick one off that list. So just bear with us, guys. I'll get round to them. I'm sure you can appreciate I got lots of requests. And some garlic sauce, Klein. Flippin' delicious. Lush that garlic. That fish is tremendous. I think that's better than Willow. Do you?
Nice, lovely.
We usually go to Willow Chippy and Wales End. But honestly, this is delicious. Mind, it's cheap Willow, isn't it? You can get like a canny deal at Willow, but not much cheaper considering the size of this. Oh, yeah, I'm getting so stuffed. One more dunk of garlic and then I'll try the curry. Just reminds us, good old days down Whitley Bay. Oh, wow. I still have a bank holiday. Bank holiday Monday down Whitley Bay all day. And then if you went to Sozzled, you would then get on the metro and go all the way to Newcastle and finish your night off there. But that was when we were young and we could do that. Curry, curry. It's quite steamy. That curry's delicious as well. Wow. I'll have to tell me Nana that chippy's lovely again, because it went downhill for a while, but it must be different owners. Wow. Yeah, I'm getting so full. But like I said, I was starved. My curry's delicious. Kenny just poured his curry all over his fish. I went, "Ooh, curry on your fish." Each to their own, I suppose. We could have shared one, and then fish is like, it's massive. See, I'm drinking juice. Usually if I drink fizzy, it helps us burp. Makes some more room. Oh, that was absolutely fantastic. A little bit more cod. Lovely flaky cod. Thick and flaky. Boy, you is thick, boy. Delicious. It's funny though, like, you know, if you're down like the coast and you get fish and chips down the coast, the chip shop or restaurant always smells so good and you're absolutely dying for them. But as soon as you've ate it, and then you smell another fish shop, oh, you feel sick thinking about fish and chips again, like off the like grease. But until you've had it, oh God, it smells absolutely divine. Oh, there you go, I've made some room. But no, I'm done. Done. Oh, Oscar got a head teacher award, guys, for doing really well in his maths. He's really good at maths. He's like he doesn't struggle, but he needs help. Well, he gets a bit extra help with like most of the other things that get taught. But his maths, he's like exceeded like where he should be in his maths. He loves it. But he does get extra help for like literacy and stuff like that. He's a good reader. He can read all right. But I think there's only a couple more like phonic words that he needs to master. And the teacher said once he's mastered them, he'll be flying. So I think that's what he's struggling with. But never mind, you'll get there, me little darling. Spencer's doing good at school as well. And Ellis is working his little socks off, just making money. Wouldn't mind Ellis's bank account. He just came in yesterday and she said, I've just bought myself a PlayStation 5. I went, oh, nice for you. Just under £500 it was. But he's young. It's his money. He's a good saver, so why not? He's been sort of thinking about getting one since before Christmas. And he's finally got it. Anyways, I'm getting boring. I'm going to go. Hope you enjoyed that. I nearly obviously wasn't planning on doing a video tonight, but I'll put that in the Tupperware tub and munch on it a bit later when I get peckish again. So if you like the video, guys, please hit the thumbs up. Guys, in the future, when you watch my video, apparently, if you hit the like button early enough from the video being uploaded, YouTube like promotes it, like it gets recommended to other people. So apparently early likes from you watching the video will sort of help us grow, and I'll get recommended to more people, therefore more people will subscribe. Get what I mean? Right, ta-ra guys. If you like it, thumbs up guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well and the notification bell to be notified of future uploads. I love yous all. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.